Alright, so here we are in Dave's living room. That's Owen, not Dave, and that's Colby and not Dave, and that's me and not Dave. There's Dave, he's going by in the kitchen, you missed him. It's like one of them horror flicks where he walks by in the kitchen. I don't know, just making stuff up at this point. There's Dave!
Hi.
He didn't say hi, Dave, I'm disappointed. This is the, you can see all the way through. Woo, it's dirty in there, Dave.
Very.
This is the inside of a hawk wing. So we have leading edge, trailing edge, and then these are compression struts, and these are diagonal compression struts. Very technical. So it's a very simple build. Some gussets, they're just simple rectangle gussets, riveted in place. Very clean. And an interesting fact about this particular aircraft is the additional extension here. Now apparently they all have a bit of an extension, but this one is 15 inches longer. This is what they called what, Dave?
Fuller.
A fuller wing.
F-U-L-L-E-R.
As in one's emptier and one's a little fuller. So it adds wingspan, which of course decreases stall speed, which means we can fly a little bit more slowly. I'm being a great help.
Many hands.
Well, I didn't want to get in the way. You understand.
It's going to go on square. You can't pull yours more than mine, or vice versa.
I'll switch sides with you here, Colby.
Building exercise going on. I had an issue rolling up with the ridge.
Every time we get to a scene, the
last one was
bad. So here's the inside of the wing. Oh wait, I already showed you that because we started without the fabric on.
Maybe they want to see it with the fabric on.
Oh, there it is with the fabric
what
on.
Kind of a YouTuber?
Here we observe an Owen in his natural environment. Except that it's not, because there's no fire or forge or blacksmith hammer. There, so he slides it in and then does a little thing with the thingamajigger. And then, this is all technical by the way, I hope it's not over your head. Like that. So this is the top rib going in. So there's also a bottom rib that Owen's about to put in. This is a semi-symmetrical airfoil. So the bottom ribs improve cruise performance by decreasing drag slightly, which is kind of cool.
In other words, Dave is going to fly faster than you too, man.
Dave, oh yeah, everybody's going to fly faster than me. But no one will fly slower than me, and that's what's important. So down here we have a gusset and a screw that stops the fabric from sliding back down. And also, we're not sure how to do this yet, but we have feelers out to some people who do. These will attach somewhere, somehow, and then these snap onto the fuselage. Just sliding in some ribs and we'll be done, aside from putting on control surfaces, which will take a bit of time too, probably.
I feel it'd be easier. We can stand this way.
That's how we did the beaver wing, stood it up,
yeah.
Made it quite easy. It's coming together, rib by rib. Oh, I missed you getting hurt on camera. Darn it. Next time. Nice. Why is it so quiet in here?
Because you turned the camera on.
Because I turned the camera on. Everybody gets camera shy when the camera comes on. That's cool. This is looking good. Alright, now run really fast and you can fly. So next up, what are we gonna do next?
On the plane or this wing? We have
Yes.
some brackets for the wing,
Okay.
some aileron cables.
Mm-hmm.
But the wing will go on the plane before we put flaps or ailerons on.
Oh, okay. It's easier to do it that way?
Yeah, for sure. Rather than your flaps and ailerons.
Yeah, all flopping around.
Whacking you in the face when you're trying to bolt brackets on braces.
Right. Cool. All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna shove this one up in the hand mount too.
Yep.
Cool.
Wrap it.
Wrap it and store it, and then
Store it.
more stuff. Cool.
A couple more weeks.
All right. Well, that's wings being covered on a Hawk. I hope you enjoyed. Say bye, Colby.
Bye, Colby.
You want to see me mess up.
Well, we were standing around bored talking about what we could do next. He's like, yeah, all I gotta do now is put the brackets on and the little things. We're like, well, why don't we do it? So here we are, we did. So this is where the wing lift strut attaches, the front one. That's the back one. And then on the back we've put the brackets for the flaps and ailerons. So those, to install them, you simply template out where you need. You cut the excess Velcro and notch it out and put it on. Pretty simple. So now it's even closer to being done. Amazing. Right? Right. Oh, I like those tulips behind you. It's very...
Well,
You have a crown of tulips now. He's like, there's tulips in here? Where'd those come from? Who got those for my wife?
we had a
Hopefully it was you.
suggestion from Anonymous
From Anonymous, yeah?
to buy Mother's Day
Ah,
things.
you're right. He did say that. And so you did that for your mom?
No, she bought them herself.
She bought them herself. Perfect.